everyone, today we are going to be making a chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. So I like to make this smoothie when my bananas are overripe, just like these. So you're going to need 2 of them. You are going to want to use some peanut butter or almond butter, whatever you prefer. I also like to use cocoa powder, but if you have chocolate syrup, then maybe you can change it and use that. You're also going to need milk, whatever type of milk you use. So I'm going to start with pouring the milk into my measuring cup. You are going to need 1 cup, so the whole measuring cup for me here. Okay, I'm going to pour that in. Then I will be opening up my cocoa powder. You are going to need 1 tablespoon. And you are going to open up your peanut butter. I like to do about 1 spoonful. Peanut butter so sticky. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up my bananas. Okay. I'm gonna split them in half. You can always do frozen bananas if you would like. This is definitely a sweet treat smoothie. I don't make it every day. Okay, so now I am going to close up my blender, turn it on, and then just wait until it all blends up. Okay, I have finished blending everything together and it is ready to go. I just need a cup. Okay, I hope you enjoy your smoothie.